Wow.
So that's for us.
It's just for us? We were gonna take it?
They save a lot of.
This is look at this.
So the good thing is that we can also
Bye. It's so cute. Bye. It's so cute.
Hopefully not over the 2 year. I have to.
like 2-3 times more than the minimum wage. So
Maybe you should remove it.
Huh?
it's good.
Wow.
And how's the weather there?
Very good,
Nice.
very hot and warm.
And
Nice. Thank you. Oh, here. I was gonna put it here. I think it's for my wife. Yeah.
When it is
Wow.
during any winter on January. Child love baby.
Hmm?
I want to be good.
On.
Paano yan? Sige.
Is this
Oh yeah, yeah, it's not.
It's lock.
It's child love. The child love.
Oh, here.
Child love too. Oh yeah, now plus. Oh yeah, 1,000. Yeah, 3,000.
Wait, mine is not working.
No, you just
Wait,
don't
wait, wait.
know
Hot
how.
pot. Please hot pot.
Hot pot. Oh, there you go. Okay. Meron kaming guest. Our friend, Sha, and the wife.
KOC, the kosha.
Kosha, yeah. Kosha is from Thailand. And Sha is
I'm from Bangladesh.
from Bangladesh. Yeah, narito kami kasi they're moving from Saskatoon to British Columbia soon. So, kamloops, di ba? So, kaya mag-ano lang kami, magdi-dinner with them. So,
Oh,
Isabel
yes.
is sleeping. Magdi-dinner kami with them. So, supposed to be with Rohan, but he's not here. I think he's still sleeping. Yeah, Rohan is from India.
Bangladesh.
Now we are United Nation. From Thailand, from Bangladesh, we have Canadian here.
Are there elephants there?
He's born here. Born Canadian.
Yeah, elephant.
Tapos ito ay
University of Philippines.
tawag dito
He stayed
buffet.
there 2 years.
Buffet to.
So he lived
Yan.
in Vietnam, Tagalogos. And that time was Marcos. You know?
Well,
So,
you
ang tatay kasi ni siya ay
really
nag-aral sa
know
UP.
the dictator.
Di ba? Nag-aral sa
And
UP
you know
kaya
that the
marunong
president now is
magtagalog
the
ng
son,
konti.
right?
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know. Filipinos just don't learn, but they say this.
So first time namin dito, sila siya ay parang palagi dito. Wow. What is this? Oh, salad. So, in-offer lang nila ang seafood dito during dinner, right? The seafood, they offer it during dinner only.
Yeah, only dinner.
Only dinner.
Seafood. And normal time you will have a lot of
Oh,
vegetables, and of course the meat is unlimited.
oh, nice. The meat is unlimited. Look at this. I like this one.
Yeah,
Oh my,
that's why I like it.
nice.
And pork, chicken,
Mhm.
yeah, pork, chicken.
Oh, chicken too. Oh, I like vegetables. I thought they're gonna bring us vegetables, so that's why I'm waiting. No vegetables. So it's here.
We only have to order only for lamb and beef. That's it.
Oh,
For the
okay.
rest of thing, we have to.
Oh,
get
you need to go here, like get your own, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. Nice. Joanna, hindi ka na loves it.
Because this one they have also curry.
Mhm. Nice. Sige, kuha muna ako ng ano. Ang aming pwedeng ilagay dun sa soup namin. Kung ano ilalagay ko. Oh, magkaga na dyan, oh.
Huh? So we just put
Kung
it here.
ano yung nandun. May pusit, may octopus.
Really?
Mm.
So ano bigay mo sa lalaki?
So, lagay mo dyan.
Ako naman, pwede naman ako magduman.
Sige na.
Sige.
Kuha ka ng ng
Ano yun? Plato?
tawag dyan. Tulog si Isabel, kawawa naman. Pagod dyan eh. So kayo ang magluluto-luto. Ang Isabela namin is sleeping. Pagod kasi, nagbalay. So mamaya tatanungin natin si Sha kung tapos yung asawa kung bakit sila lilipat ng kamloops. Alam naman natin ngayon dito sa Canada medyo mahirap na, pahirap ng pahirap ang pagkuha ng PR, kung ano-anong pathway ang sinara. Ano? Sila ay from Toronto rin sila, lumipat dito sa Saskatoon. So naghanap sila dito sa Saskatchewan, walang nangyari. Nakakuha sila sa kamloops ng employer na magbibigay sa kanila ng papel para maging PR sa Canada. Ayan. So, kaya ngayon alis sila ng weekends, nagyaya, sabi namin mag-dinner muna kasama sila. Kasama dapat si Pogi, si Rohan, kaso nag-gym ata kaninang umaga. Kaya kami lang nandito, ano?
Oh my, nice.
Oh, this is too much. It's boiling too much, bro. It's good. I'm excited. Nice. Yeah. Ito ay lamb. This is pork.
Lamb and beef. This is beef,
Oh.
this is lamb.
Oh,
They don't sell
okay.
pork.
Oh, okay. Lamb and beef. Oh, wala pala silang baboy dito. Baboy is pork. Baboy is pig.
Beef, right?
Pig. Baboy.
Oh, baboy.
Baboy.
You might find it maybe in the top shelf. They have meat.
Si Joanna kung ano din nilagay. Seafood. Kay Joanna.
This is sweet, and a little bit of this one, this one, sweet, and a little bit this
Oh, that one.
and garlic. Yeah.
Oh, garlic.
And a little bit vinegar.
Oh. Thank you.
The flavors, exactly.
So, we don't know about this, but
We are just following.
we're just following the instruction.
This is very similar to like the Japanese also eat like this. The Japanese hot pot.
So, parang hindi kumukulo.
Because
Dagdagan natin.
I only got to try it in Oreno. Right?
Oreno and Jejo.
And they bring everything to you. So,
Yeah, Oreno we also tried. All
Yeah.
you can eat.
Yeah.
They will bring it to you. But this one is that you have to do.
Yeah,
This is the fun
get
thing I
it.
want. Just
Yeah.
go and walk around, mix and match.
I thought it's good.
I went into for the
Yeah, she teach me how to do it.
digest.
Yeah. But maybe just for today.
Nilagay ko na kahit ano dito. Just put everything. Kung ano-ano nandyan. May seafood, there's meat.
Seafood, beef, and tofu.
Oh my. I don't know what I'm doing siya.
You ask for spoon and fork.
I think this one is
It doesn't know
okay.
how to use.
That much.
Yeah, man, he's also. That's what I learned. You know, I got expertise in Thailand because
Mahina tayo dyan sa chopsticks na yan.
to this
Yeah.
Japanese. This kind
Ah, sarap.
So what about your
Wow.
things? Okay. Are you gonna
Sarap.
put it in the box
Ayos.
and then like soup?
So, ang lasa ng sabaw nila. Yan. Yan. Ang lasa. So, pwede pa kayong kumuha ng noodle. Diyan, tuwang-tuwa. Oh. Isabel, tulog na tulog eh. Yan. Their soup is so tasty.
Yeah, I like this one too. It's so sweet.
Dati pa namin binabala kumain dito, pero bakit hindi tayo kumakain? Parang next time sasama namin sila mama dito.
I got enjoyed the
Wow. Seafood.
I followed. It's so beautiful.
Yeah.
I think people had finished dinner by 6:30. So
You can show them.
Yan. So sabi niya siya dapat at least 4 PM pumunta dito so para full ano pa punong-puno yung shelf na mga pwedeng kunan. Unlimited ang sarap. Sarap yan.
Roasted peanut.
So they are leaving Saturday.
Yeah,
Saturday.
Saturday morning.
Yeah, Saturday morning. Kasi yung sasakyan nila ay gagawin pa ni Kuya Jemar, yung kaibigan namin na mekaniko. Just for safety lang.
Support me
Yeah.
with this vlog.
That's good thing, no? Because it's informative.
It's also for memories, like when they grow up.
What's that orange? White orange.
This one, I don't know. It just tastes good. It has something inside.
Look at this.
I think
So magkano to? Buffet dito?
$28.
$28.
Cheese?
So
Oh.
hindi na masama, no?
I forgot about the dipping sauce though. Because it's already good. I forgot about this.
Look at that. Wow. Nice.
Yeah, it is very good. If you try. So how the boss say like they were struggling to
So, idagdag ko lang anong soup.
only thing is limited is your stomach.
The
Yeah.
stomach, yeah. It's unlimited soup. Pag naubos nyo na yung soup, pwede kayo magpa-refill ng free. So, yeah. Hindi namin alam. So,
That's why I take care about the
may lumapit sa amin kung gusto pa daw namin ng soup. Too much na, hindi ko nga maubos to eh. I couldn't finish it, actually. The one.
Mine is really good. Dad, have you tasted mine? It's really good.
It's good? I will gonna taste it. Yung sa'yo is, ano yun, curry soup?
Curry soup. It's really good.
So meron dito marami silang choices. Meron silang spicy.
the mushroom. Sorry, the corn is
The
good
corn?
for the make some taste, add some taste in the soup also.
Yeah.
So sometimes you keep this corn whole time at the soup.
I got a lot.
Yeah, and
I love it.
You change the taste of the
So, parang ang sarap, parang ang sayo kumain dito, no? So, magpapaboil-boil ka ng kinakain mo. Lalo na ngayon full season na dito sa Canada. Tamang-tama, yung mainit. This is perfect because it's a bit cold already, right? It's full season already. So the soup is very good.
And you know one thing I like about this restaurant, if you
Joanna, nakarami na corn.
It's like the corn.
Ako busog na ako kasi nagdaglag ako ng noodle. Tapos like vegetables, halo-halo sa akin. It's all mixed for me. Meat.
I thought
Seafood.
hot pot here is like just one big.
They are so powerful.
Yeah.
yeah, just like if you two of us,
So, ang kagandahan dito, kayo na ang pipili ng gusto nyong ilalagay sa inyong hot pot. Ang daming choices. Yan. So, ako last round na. Kumuha ako nitong noodle kanina. Yan. So, maganda dito pumunta ng maaga. Ito, unlimited na lahat to. Kayo na bahala. Yan. So, nasa $28.99 ata. So, almost $30 kada tao. Unlimited na. Pag dinner, may kasama ng seafood. Pero pag lunch daw, hindi to kasama. Wala daw sila ng ganyan. So, yung kabila lang. So, yan. So, kukuha ko ng itlog ng pugo. Quail egg. Tapos sa squid. Squid. Yan. Lagyan natin dyan. So, ito yung menu nila. Ito, may drinks. So, magkano yun? So, $28.99 plus tax. Yan. So, all you can eat. Dinner combo. So, yan. So, pipili kayo ng soup nyo dito. Yan. Tapos, kayo na lang kukuha ng kung ano-ano doon na panglagay nyo.
And we didn't eat any rice too.
Isabel, is sleeping. So, kami ay inuubos na lang namin ang kinakain namin din.
It's like the corn.
May pasok pa kami ni siya eh.
Tofu. I think I already
After
eat
this, we're still
15
working.
of them
Oh,
already.
yeah.
and after
so-
if you just keep on cooking, you will see the concentration of the gravy.
Yeah.
It's more strong. Then the real taste
Yeah.
thick. You will find the real
The
taste.
color is different now too.
Exactly.
Gusto ko nagbo-boil. Eight.
Turn to stew like now.
Oh, yeah.
Daddy, did you taste mine? It's really, really good.
Yeah. Yes.
Ano yung lagay mo dyan? Baka.
If you open this kind of
Alam.
restaurant, like if any, and maybe I think in Philippines they already have.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they're more of samgyeopsal. Like in
Korean,
Jeju,
Korean.
Korean.
Yeah.
When I went home like 2 years ago, every restaurant was just
Yan. So, may kasama pa lang ice cream. Yan. Kasama sa buffet. Dessert. Yan. Kami ay tapos na. Naghihintay na lang ng konti. Gising na. May mga kita ng kinakain namin. Hello, anak. She's awake now. Gising ng Isabel. So kami ay tapos na rin. Magbabayad na kami at kami ay para makauwi na rin ang mga pagpahinga na sila. Yeah. Magbabayad na muna.
I studied in the at least now they're accepting our education in the Philippines.
And in kamloops, please visit. So we will all travel.
So we're done.
Yeah.
So
So it was a good.
they're leaving this weekends actually. So good luck to them and enjoy the trip for them. So yeah, they're going to Banff before going to British Columbia. Right? Calgary, Banff, right?
Calgary, Banff, Revelstoke.
Oh, see?
Revelstoke is also a beautiful town. Then kamloops.
Yes, at least
It's
you'll be
all
able to
2 hours, 2
travel.
hours.
Well,
So like, yun.
you see, bye.
So,
She's nice.
siya, see you later. No? Yeah. So, yun.
In fairness, I like.
Malamig na, no?
Yeah.
Yan. The next day. Okay, good morning. Yan, nandito kami sa Tim Hortons with siya. And he will gonna share something about why are you moving Kamloops with your wife. It's British Columbia.
Yeah.
Right? So before I didn't know that place actually. Because of siya now. I thought it's in Alberta but no. And he will gonna share something about it.
Exactly. So first of all, Kamloops is a small city in British Columbia. It's a highly tourist area. So there are a lot of opportunities. Basically, like it's a booming city, and most of their revenue is generated from tourism. So my wife got a job as a massage therapist. So in a massage shop that is owned by a Thai. So basically, the thing is that, and right now in Canada, healthcare is a #1 priority. So massage therapists, spa therapists, they are all considered tier 1 level employee, and so that means you will get the high privilege, and under PNP you will get privilege also under express entry. So that's a very good thing. And if the employer support you, even if you have postgraduate work permit, especially a lot of international students have, if that one is expiring, that employer will be able to support you for open work permit, so you can keep on working for that shop or for that business. So Kamloops is a booming city. It's still a small city considered. The population is very less, probably less than 100,000. But yeah, government is prioritizing health is an important thing, and also there are tourism sectors, other businesses like the hotels and the resorts, those the hospitality sector especially. So those are also quite demanding. But try to, like, who are willing to move there, please find out information and find a genuine employer who is willing to help you and support you. Don't take any risk, like suddenly go there and start looking for jobs, because it's a bit risky. You know, BC is the most expensive province in Canada. Even Kamloops also pretty much expensive, like if you don't have a proper plan and suddenly visit there. Yeah, that is how we plan. And
Especially now, everyone's seeking for this PR pathway.
yeah,
To be honest, me and Joanna, we don't know about like too much about information about how to become a PR here in Canada, because we came here as PR landed, right?
Exactly.
So we don't know like about PR pathway. I know LMIA, but other than that, like no, it's kind of hard to explain to them also. Like,
exactly. So yeah, most important thing, try to find out information. And the PR pathways are there also, especially I mentioned already, health is a priority sector. Try to get the hospitals also, of course, nurses, those who have experience in nursing and everything, of course, will get a priority. And and just
because now Canada looking for trades, healthcare, and agriculture,
skill
right?
trades,
Yeah, skill
agriculture, and as Kamloops is mostly based on tourism, and also not that much of an agriculture. But yeah, tourism, so hospitality sector is also very demanding, and this one, the health sector. And just find information, get a good maybe do a little research, like how is that the local government or their PR pathways, PNP programs. because as of right now I heard that health is a completely priority sector. They don't put under a normal common categories. So under health, if you have the employer support, you will do some point calculation and everything. You will be pulled very quickly in terms of the draw. So those are good things to know. And the good thing is that, like, even if you are like worried that you will not get the express entry or the PNP, you at least if you get the employer support, that who is willing to support you, at least you can by giving you closed work permit, that you have to stick with that employer maybe for another year or two, but that gives you a kind of confidence that you are at least secured. Your job is secured, and that is what Canada needs. The government needs to ensure that your job is secured. Otherwise, like, if your employer does not have enough income or he is a fraudulent, you lose the job, you will be completely in a very dangerous situation in Canada. So must ensure your employer pays you and he is genuine and supports you. So if all that is good, rest of the thing will be automatically will be done smoothly and easily.
Especially now, the Canadian government, like every month I think there's just changes about like PR pathway.
Exactly. PR pathways is now September. In every 2 weeks things are changing. They first banned LMIA for a lot of employees. Now the Canada government, like, employers are struggling to get. They say Canadians first, but those Canadians don't want to work for those employers. Now those employers are protesting. No, we need foreign workers, temporary workers. Now again, government have to open LMIA. So keep all the news in mind, and especially province to province vary, of course. So right now in Saskatoon, if you guys move agriculture and healthcare, these are the two priorities.
And trades.
Exactly. And trades. Don't go for this Tim Horton or hospitality.
Before, yes.
Before, but not now.
But not anymore.
Exactly. Delivery, shipping was priority a lot before COVID. Sorry, after COVID. But right now, completely changed. So day to day, take updates about this news and everything. And and in healthcare, one important thing is that even if you are not a certified therapist or anything, on the job, your employer will give you the training and certify you. So you will gain the Canadian experience, 8 months, whatever, you will get a certification. That is more than enough. You don't, and by that time, time to time, you can also learn those academic things, also the theories, those things. But if you know the right way, and everything will be good.
Search, right?
Exactly.
Just like Sha, instead they are from Toronto. So this is your third province now.
I moved from Toronto to Saskatoon. Now
Ontario,
to,
Saskatchewan, then
Kamloops,
British Columbia.
Exactly. And Kamloops weather is very nice, very like hot and humid summer. Same exactly our Asian weather.
Actually.
We love
Hopefully
it.
we can visit you there like next year.
Of course.
We're excited actually, right?
Exactly.
You heard Joanna last night.
Exactly. Joanna is very excited, and I also went there. At first I was also a little bit kind of skeptical.
Oh, you were there last summer, right?
August I went for 2 days, but after I see the view from the plane, and after I landed, drive around the city, oh my god, so beautiful.
It's a beautiful
very
place,
beautiful city. It's scenic beauty. Like in Saskatoon we see prairie, flatlands, completely flat, but there you will see mountain valleys, the river passing, and completely very nice.
You heard it from Sha.
Yeah.
So anyway, brother, good luck to your new journey.
Thank you, Marco.
So,
it was nice knowing you.
And new province.
Exactly.
For sure, British Columbia. How beautiful is British Columbia?
Very beautiful.
It's very beautiful.
That's why it's expensive, because a lot of Asians, and other information, our Asians, like especially Southeast Asians, they really prefer to stay in British Columbia because of the familiarity with the weather, all these things, because it's like accustomed with our body heat, lifestyle and everything. Because sometimes it's like senior people, they very difficult for them to stay in a very cold weather. So
right now it's 7 degrees in Saskatoon,
it's
but
already
in
cold.
Kamloops it's
17,
24 later, I think.
After later it will be
More than
20,
20.
25. You
Look
will
at
wear
that.
shorts and t-shirts the same you wear in
It's
your
a
country.
perfect weather,
Perfect weather, exactly.
So that's all for today's
That's
vlog.
all. Bye. Thank you.
Then, alright, brother.
Bye, brother. Thank you, Marco. See you.
No worries.
Yeah.